everyone, we are in Athens and tonight we are going to see the nightlife around here. And firstly, the church behind me is so beautiful.
Look at this square that we're in. Look at that. It's just a beautiful square. It's all marble floors. Really. It's gorgeous. And then everything around here is beautiful. Here's the front of the church. This is a Greek Orthodox Christian church. And there's restaurants over there. You hear some live music. And this is very sedate. You're about to see a little more crazy as we walk.
Welcome to Athens, the birthplace of democracy, art, science, and philosophy in the Western civilizations. As one of the world's oldest cities, Athens offers a vibrant mix of history and modernity, including an incredible nightlife scene. From lively square and cozy alleyway restaurant to the charm of the old town and the vibrant artsy neighborhood, there's something for everyone. Strolling through the nightlife area, you will come across a fascinating sight, a century old church standing proudly in the middle of a bustling street, a beautiful contrast of the old meeting the new. As we continue our walk, the illuminated Acropolis came into the view, perched majestically on the hilltop. It's a breathtaking reminder of the city's rich history and the timeless beauty. We were drawn in by the lively dancing on the street and decided to check out a nearby restaurant. It was such a fun experience. The restaurant staff and the tourists were dancing together, turning the whole street into the lively and entertainment scene. And to top it off, the tacos at this place were absolutely delicious.
We're in Athens. Pretty cool. This is our neighborhood here. Chung's having a kebab here for $5. And I'm having a pita, grilled vegetables and the salmon. Let's see. Just a block or so from my house. So Google's great. You just tell it where you want to go. We want to go to the Lidl grocery store, and then it tells you where to walk to catch the bus. It wants us to take the A3 bus. And here it is, A3. And so we just wait till he's ready to go, and we'll jump on. We're taking the bus to Lidl grocery store. It's like $1.20 per bus ride, and you have up to 90 minutes. Here's the bus. It's a Saturday morning around 10:30, so it's not real busy yet. Here it is, kids, our favorite grocery store in the world. We're at Lidl again. Love this place. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. They have everything here you need to live a beautifully healthy, cheap life. Ah, there's the nuts. That man's nuts. Grab him. I scream, you scream. We all scream for frozen fish. This is a 2-floor Lidl. It's like, I finally figured out the meaning of life at 64 years of age. I had to come to Athens, Greece, and find a 2-floor Lidl. Now I know what it's all about. It all makes sense finally. All the pieces of the puzzle fit together.
We arrived in Athens. Very beautiful rise from Kalamata, and this is our apartment. This is our apartment here. Very beautiful, nice and clean. There's kitchen around here. Very nice. Fully furnished. Cute place. And then this is the toilet. Cute, very nice. It have a washing machine as well. And this is our bedroom. Oh, not too bad. It's a 1-bedroom. It's cool. It's nice. Oh, and I see they have AC here also. 1 AC. The rest is, this is the living room. Beautiful. Another AC here. Nice place. And also they have balcony that we can go out sometime. It's cool. Very nice. Do you like it? That's beautiful. It's beautiful, huh? Yeah. In our next video, we will take you on a walking tour of the old town and share my experience attending my very first concert with a famous US singer at the Acropolis. Curious about my favorite beach town in Greece? Be sure to check out the video above. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!